Battery. A device that stores and provides electrical energy. He replaced the battery in his watch. The car won't start because the battery is dead. This remote needs 2 AAA batteries. She bought a new battery for her phone. The battery life of this laptop is about 8 hours.